Hey guys, welcome to the channel. As always, the old Crossfire died on me last weekend, and we'll take a look at it and see what happened. It was running pretty good up until the point it went, and I think we're looking at compression, definitely a compression issue, but I'll be doing a whole series of videos of pretty much just taking it apart, and we'll dive in and see what happened to this motor. Hopefully it's not too much damage. I do have a spare whole engine, so I got lots of parts, lots of stuff to work with, so I should be able to get this going by the end of this week or this weekend or something like that. But I'll be doing videos, so maybe what I'll do is I'll just show you guys what happened. It was about 8,400 miles, give or take a few. We'll put this sort of like super professional. Okay, so we got a good angle on the camera. When you're a one-man guy trying to do this, so okay, so you can see plugs are loose. I'm just gonna go get my compression tester. Okay, plugs are out. Oh, you should see the one plug. So I thought I had lost my compression tester, but I found it. So let's I mean, I know the answer. I'm just basically, you guys, I'm curious to know what it's at. So can you see that? Hoping you can. Okay, throttle wide open. And I'm going to give it a good pull. We got 70, 80 pounds. 110. 110. Okay. Not too bad. That'll still start a sled. I'm going to say a car, but okay. Okay, so 110. It's not great, but it's not bad. Ooh, a lot of oil out of that. Let's check the other cylinder. See where it's at. I'm hoping it's just a ring. Could be a ring. All honestly, I can't remember. This motor is going to be between 8,000 to 10,000 miles, even a little bit more. Just because I had two speedometers on it at one time. I changed it out. I put the one that was actually lower in numbers. I don't know. I just thought, oh, it looks better or something. But in reality, I mean, I should have kept the low one for safekeeping. Because the other speedometer I think has 4,000 or 5,000 miles on it too. Plus this one has 8,400. So Yeah, these Suzuki motors do go the distance, and I'm pretty sure this is the cylinder that's going to show some bad numbers. I did notice one thing is that it wasn't starting very well, like 3 to 4 poles, and this is usually like a 1 pole machine. What do we got? We got a big fat 0. So there's our problem for sure. I'm not going to bother pulling it over anymore because in reality I could be damaging the cylinder more and who knows what else, but I will be pulling it apart now, and I'll do a couple videos of what I'm looking at or what I'm trying to accomplish, of course, which is obviously 110 on one, 0 on the other one. So I could be looking at a bad cylinder. The cylinder could be scored. It could be just rings. The rings came in. If that's the case, I might just re-ring, put brand new rings, keep the same pistons, throw it back in, check the compression. If it's good, then brand new rings and away we go. That would be the cheapest solution, but it could be totally something else. So play it by ear. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll be bringing this out as a couple series here, part 1, part 2, and so on. So, all right, guys. Cheers.